How come the next guy who has the same idea as you do made it? Is it too late for you to achieve your dreams? No, you can achieve your dreams. It's never too late. Is there a time limit? There's no time limit. It's an ongoing process. Even when you're doing a business, it's an ongoing process. You're not supposed to give up. You just keep at it. Keep going until you learn to love the process. Not the destination. It's the journey. I know, cliche, right? But that's the truth. You need to focus. So you can't figure out what to do because you have so many ideas in your head? Well, maybe you are supposed to do everything. Start with one first. Achieve it and then move on to the next. Another thing is, don't give up. You have to make it. You have to work hard. You have to push it until you make it. Don't give up too soon. There are people around you who might bring you down. They might say, oh, you can't make it. Oh, you can't do that. Oh, it's old news. Oh, it's not a really good idea. Do not listen to them. No. If you believe in your ideas, you do it yourself. What do you do with people who bring you down? Are they toxic? Do they disregard your feelings? Do they say that it's all in your head? Do they say that you're crazy? Run. They are toxic. They're the devils. Are you still trying to figure out? Look, I have this special magical tool that you can use. 2 magical tools, actually. You know what they are? A paper and pen. That's all you need. You need to write down your goals. And within those goals, all the steps that need to be taken. And you follow those steps. And you do it until you make it. Bye! If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe and like it.